Maryland personal injury attorney Marcus Boston here, bringing you another video on behalf of Boston Law Group LLC. Today I want to actually talk to you about a question that we get a lot, and that is, well, Mr. Boston, is my case a slam dunk? I mean, you know, I was rear-ended, for example. That's it, right? I mean, the other side has to admit liability, and the case is over. I'm going to win. Well, the truth of the matter is, in a injury context, especially in a civil context, or even in a criminal law context, trials and cases are really built upon evidence. And what that means is, just because something happens on the outside of court does not mean that it will be admitted into court. So, for example, you may have a situation, if you're in a car accident case, for example, and let's say that you have been you've been approached by an adjuster for the gentleman who hit you. Well, a lot of times people think that just because that adjuster offers you money for your case, that just must mean then that they are admitting liability, or they're admitting that they've done something wrong. And the truth of the matter is that that offer of settlement is not admissible in court. Again, evidence that cannot be used in court. So just because something may seem okay, or seems like it should be admitted into evidence outside of court, does not necessarily mean that the court will actually allow it to be admitted. So for those reasons, you can probably see now that there's very few slam dunks when it comes to the law, because again, cases are built on evidence, and the evidence has to be, you have to be able to admit that evidence into court for it to be useful to you. For more helpful information like what you heard in this video, go to our website at bostonlawllc.com. That's bostonlawllc.com. And when you get to the website, be sure to take a look at our free books. If you've been injured in a car accident, make sure that you request our free book, which deals with what auto insurance companies do not want you to know. It's a very good book. It's not that long. It's about 49 pages, and it's not written for a person to have a law degree to understand it. We wrote it in plain everyday English so anybody can understand it. The book is absolutely free if you are a Maryland resident or you have been injured in Maryland. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.